Introducing the Smeg Multi Milk Frother, a perfect blend of retro charm and modern functionality. Designed to deliver barista-quality froth, this appliance transforms your kitchen into a personal cafe. Simple to use and compact in design, this multi-milk frother makes a variety of delicious drinks, including cappuccinos, lattes, hot chocolates, milkshakes, and even espresso martinis. Crafted with a removable stainless steel jug, the Smeg Multi Frother offers a generous capacity of 600 millilitres for heating and 250 millilitres for frothing. And with dishwasher-safe removable components, maintenance couldn't be easier. Equipped with induction technology, this multi-milk frother has the option to produce hot or cold drinks and even heat with or without foam, thanks to the 2 whisks provided. Available in a selection of beautiful colourways and creating perfect drinks every time, this is a great kitchen assistant in every drink lover's home. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe.